news is coming in that cases of the more infectious Delta variant of COVID-19 doubled, more than doubled last week in Germany, and are likely to increase further in the coming days. There are concerns about possible travel chaos as many go on their summer holidays, and for some countries there are stricter entry controls. DW's Thomas Sparrow joins from Berlin. Thomas, just how badly is Germany affected by the virus, and in particular by the new Delta variant?
Well, if you look at the general coronavirus situation in Germany, especially if you look at infection and death numbers, you'll notice a clear positive trend. Compared to the beginning of the year, Germans are now enjoying many more freedoms and they can lead a more or less normal life. But, and this is an actually very important but, authorities have warned that citizens must not be complacent. The virus is still there, and in particular now the more infectious Delta variant, which is present in at least 85 countries and also spreading here in Germany. Cases of the Delta variant more than doubled last week in the country, and they are likely to increase further, with authorities warning that it's believed to represent more than 50% of active cases. So all in all, we can say that Germans are enjoying a relatively relaxed summer, but they're aware that the Delta variant could affect things seriously again.
What then are authorities doing to prevent the Delta variant from spreading further?
First and foremost, they are asking people not to ignore the variant, not to become complacent. Second, they're also very much looking at the wider picture because various European countries are badly affected by the variant, and as you may know, Europeans are travelling a lot nowadays during the summer holidays. So there's increased risk there. Hence the decision by German authorities to impose stricter restrictions for travellers who come to Germany from Portugal and from Russia. And then there is a debate going on as to whether there should be even more controls for people returning from holidays.
In the meantime, though, Thomas, how is Germany's vaccination rollout progressing?
Vaccination is still seen here in Germany as the way out of the pandemic, and now over half of Germany's population has received at least one vaccination and over 35% are fully vaccinated. This is not only vital to prevent further infections and keep the overall situation under control, but also relevant for people who want to return to a more or less normal life. If you want to go to an indoor restaurant here or to a large event, for example, you can either present a negative coronavirus antigen test or a full vaccination certificate.
Well, talking about vaccination, we're still waiting for more of ours. Thomas, thank you very much. Thomas Sparrow is political correspondent with our partners DW. He joined us all the way from Berlin here on the Pulse.